Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. I am Smera Healthy Wali from the platform of Rihan Artificial Intelligence Teacher Training Institute Level 1. Welcome to all of you in another interesting and very influential TED Talks review. Viewers, today I am reviewing a very interesting and informative TED Talks called Use Data to Build Better Schools by Andres. Before we begin, let me introduce the speaker first. Andres is an education expert and researcher who has worked extensively on international education systems and educational policy. He is particularly well known for his work with the OECD, including the international PISA assignments. So, in this TED Talk, he explains how data can help us to understand what is working in education, what is not working, and how schools can improve. So, let's explore what I learned from this TED Talk. First of all, why data is important in education? The first idea that caught my attention is that data can help us to make better educational decisions. Sometimes, viewers, we think that we know what makes a school successful, but our assumptions are not always correct. The data gives us evidences. It can help us to understand students, performers, identify learning gaps, compare different approaches, and see where improvement is needed. So, if we take example, if many students are struggling with the same topic, data can help teachers recognize that problem instead of simply saying these students are weak in this subject. So we can ask why are they struggling and what can we change to help them. This shift in thinking is very important. Data should not simply judge students. Data can also help to improve learning. The another important idea in this talk is that countries can learn from one another. Education system around the world are different. Viewers, some countries achieve stronger results in particular areas. Other may have different challenges in that areas. But by collecting and comparing the educational data internationally, researchers and policymakers can identify the pattern. They can ask, what are successful educational systems doing differently? By comparing does not mean that we should copy another country exactly, but every country has its own culture, resources, challenges, and educational needs. So instead, we can learn from successful ideas and adopt them to our own institutions according to our student situation. This is what makes the educational data valuable. So this gives us opportunities to learn beyond our own classrooms or the country. The other biggest lesson I took from this TED talk is that collecting data is not enough. We have to use it. Imagine a teacher gives student a test. The teacher gets the result, but then nothing changes. The data has not really helped anyone. Instead, the teacher can look at the results and ask which concepts were difficult, which students need additional support, what teaching strategies work, and why should I change in my next lesson? What I should change in my next lesson? This is where data becomes very powerful. So, data should not be a final destination, it should be the starting point for improvement. The next idea in this TED Talks is teachers and the evidence based teaching. This idea is especially important for the teachers to their students. Teachers can make hundreds of decisions every day. What should I teach? How should I teach it? Which students need extra help? What activities are working? Data can help teachers to answer some of these questions more effectively, but I don't think data should replace a teacher's personal judgment. A teacher knows things about their students that numbers may not show. So, viewers, a teachers may have a low score because of a student may have a low score because of many different reasons. So we need both data and human understanding. Both are very important and they will be a best education system combination. My personal reflection for this TED Talks is that this talk made me think about how we can improve education through evidences. Viewers, as we know that someone learning at artificial intelligence and education, I am becoming more aware of how important is information. If we want to improve learning, we need to know where students are starting from. We need to understand their strengths and weaknesses. We need to observe their progress. And we need to identify where they need support. AI can make educational data more useful. For example, AI can help teachers to identify pattern in the students' performance. AI can also help to organize information and it supports personalized learning. Viewers, AI can help to generate particular activities based on students' need. Just imagine a classroom where one student needs more practice with basic concept while the other student is ready for advanced material. So, viewers, the technology can help teachers provide more personalized support, but we should always remember data is about people. Students are not just number on the spreadsheet. We need to protect privacy, use information responsibly, and make sure technology supports students rather than labeling them unfairly. So, the key takeaways of this TED Talk is that data can help us understand what is really happening in education. Second, we can learn from successful education system around the world. The next takeaway of this TED Talk is that data is valuable only when we use it to make better decisions. And the fourth one is that teachers should combine evidences with professional experience and human understanding. And the last but not the least is that AI can help us to analyze educational data and support personalized learning, but we must use students' data responsibly. So, when we combine data with human understandings, we can make better decisions and create better learning opportunities. Viewers, I would definitely recommend this TED Talks to the teachers, school leaders, students, education policymakers, and anyone interested in the future of education. So, this is all about today TED Talks. See you in the next session soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Be healthy, keep learning, and make sure every minute count and use the AI wisely. Thanks for watching this. Allah Hafiz.